Hi children, we are still working with numbers. Now we are going to look at the number that I'll give you, and you're going to recall what is odd and what is even number, identifying and circling the odd numbers and even numbers. When you say odd number, you must look at the last number. We are doing ones, tens, 100,000. So you look at the last number. The number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then you say they are odd numbers. When the numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, the last numbers are these, then we say they are even numbers. So what we are going to do now is circle the odd numbers and even numbers. Circle the odd numbers and even numbers. You're going to circle the odd numbers. Okay? You'll be given two lots of numbers. Then you will circle the even numbers as given accordingly. Alright? So now, look at the numbers carefully before you circle them. Okay? First you have, I give you 1042, 2471, then you have 3403 and 4087. Next, nine thousand 42, 4016, 6017, 1002. 7,211, 8,364, 2,002, 9,001, 6,002, 9,811, 8,424 and 4,213. I've given you here whole lot of numbers. Now, circle all the odd numbers in red, circle all the even numbers in blue, and that's what we are going to do. First, we will do the circling of all the odd numbers. What are odd numbers? When you look at the last number, should be 1, 3, 7, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If you have the ending 1, 3, and 5, 7, and 9, then you say they are odd numbers. So we're going to circle the odd numbers first. 1042. The last number is 2. Is it an odd number? No. 2471. It ends in 1. So is it an odd number? Yes. So we will circle 2471 is an odd number. The next number is 3403, ending in 3, the last number. Yes, it is an odd number, so we circle the odd number. Next you have 4087, the last number ending in 7. Is it an odd number? Yes. So we have in the first lot 3 odd numbers ending in 1, 3 and 7. Now let's look at the next one. You have 7211 ending in 1. Good. So is it an odd number? Yes, it is an odd number. 8364 ending in 4. Is it an odd number? No. 2116, the last number is 6. Is it an odd number? No. 8413, the last number is 3. Yes, very good. It is an odd number. 8413 is an odd number. Next lot you have 5403, the last number ending in 3. 5400. Is it an odd number? Yes. So 5403, it's an odd number. Next, 2116, the last number is 6. Is it an odd number? No. 9817, the last number ending in 1. 9817 is an odd number. Next, 5011. Is it an odd number? Yes, 5011. Next, 1019. 1090. Is it an odd number? Yes, 1019 is an odd number. 3014. No, it is not an odd number. 7109. Is it an odd number? Yes, 7109 is an odd number. And then you have 4013. Is it an odd number? Yes, it is an odd number because it is ending in 3. Last number is 3. Now let's go to the next one. 6001. Is it an odd number? Yes, 6001 is an odd number. 8004. Is it ending in 4? So is it an odd number? No. 7007, ending in 7. Yes, it is an odd number, 7007. And then you have 1008, which is not an odd number. Now, next go to the 2017. Is it an odd number? Yes, 2017 is an odd number. 7014, ending in 4. It is not an odd number. 4013. Is it an odd number? Yes. 4030 is an odd number. 8008, it is not an odd number. We go to the next one. 1019. The last number is 9. Is it an odd number? Yes. 1019 is an odd number. 2016, ending in 6. It is not an odd number. 4018, ending in 8 is an odd number? No. Then finally you have 9001. The last number is 1. So that is an odd number. So now we learn to circle the odd numbers in this lot. Now let's go to the next page and we have here circle the even numbers. You're going to circle the even numbers. Look at the 4 numbers. 1000, 100, tens and 1. Look at the ones, please. Search for 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. If you have the last number in the ones place, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then you say that is an even number. So now 9042. The last number is 2. 9042, is it an even number? Yes. So 9042 is an even number. Now 4016, the last number is 6. Is it an even number? Yes, it is an even number. 6017, the last number is 7. No. 1002, is it an even number? Yes. 1002 is an even number. Now look at the next lot. 2711, last number is 1. No. 8492, ones place you have 2. Is it an even number? Yes. So this is an even number. 5413, is it an even number? Last number is 3. No. 4718, the last number is 8. So this is an even number. Now we go to the next one. 8666. Last number is 6. 8666 is an even number. Next. 7014. 4 in the ones place, it is an even number. Good. 4017. 7 in the ones place, not an even number. 6010. 0 in the one place, and it is an even number. Now let's look at this one. 1017, 7 in the one place. Is it an even number? No. 2016, 6 in the one place. So this is an even number. 5011, you have 1 in the ones place. It is not an even number. And finally you have 4444, 4 in the ones place. It's an even number. Now let's look at this number. 3016. 3016, 6 in the ones place. Is it an even number? Yes. This is an even number. 6017, 7 in the ones place. Is it an even number? No. 7014, 4 in the ones place. Is it an even number? Yes. 7014 is an even number. Then finally you have 4012, 2 in the ones place. 4012 is an even number. Now let's look at the next number. 5011. Ending in 1, 1 in the ones place. Is it even number? No. Then you have 1006. 6 in the ones place. So is it an even number? Yes. 1006 is an even number. 6003. Is it an even number? No. 8004. 4 in the ones place. It is an even number. Now, you have 6002. 2 in the ones place. Is it an even number? Yes. 6002 is an even number. 9811. Is it an even number? No, because you have 1 in the ones place. 8424, 4 in the ones place. So that's an even number. 4213, 3 in the ones place. It is not an even number. So we have done looking at the numbers very carefully. Circle the odd numbers, circle the even numbers with the given numbers.